Hello traders, welcome to KS the Trader. Today we are here to give you our weekly analysis report, how we analyzed and how market worked on our analysis. So let's start with indices first. So on Nifty, last week we had a session called Nifty Per Charcha. In that we had clear view that if the high of Friday, that is of 28th September, is broken and sustained, we may see a move till 26,000 and 26,250 was our resistance zone. So that is being seen on the chart itself. Nifty had straight away gave a move of near about 400%, and exactly it took resistance from our levels of 26 to 50 levels. It didn't sustain there, and we already informed our members yesterday itself that we are sitting at a higher target, so be cautious with your positions. Now let's come to Bank Nifty. What Bank Nifty did? As expected, we are having a view that Bank Nifty might face a resistance at 54,300, and it did the same. So there might be a probability that we may see some retracement or further profit booking. Whatever our analysis will be on indices will be shared in weekends Nifty Per Charcha. So stay tuned on our new series called Nifty Per Charcha. Now let's move on to the stocks, what we had done in this week with our scripts. The first one is Aadhar Housing. We had a clear view and we have initiated a buy call on Aadhar at 420 to 441. This 420 to 441 was our buying zone, and we had a target of 500. It exactly hit our target. Still, we are having a positive view in this, but most of our members have booked partial profit at 500 levels as it might come for a retracement. So we don't want to get stuck. So our partial profit booking has been done, and partial quantities we are riding with our buying price as a stop loss. Another one is AMI Organics. If you remember, we had traded it since the starting of the month, but today we had booked our profit at it reached our profit locking zone, and see what the exact level where it took resistance. This was our profit locking zone at 1807, and today it made high of 1823 and rejected this zone beautifully. So this trade got closed from us, but if we got any opportunity above 1850 levels, we might think of having a trade, but as of now, our trade has been closed in AMI Organics. Let's come to Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finserv, we have initiated our entry from 1800 to 1850 levels, and our first target was 2000. 2000 it hit. Still, we are riding the trade. We are chasing the momentum and keep riding it until our target had not been met or until we see any bearishness on the chart. As of now, we are running in a decent profit of 7 to 8%. Another one is Bharti AXA. If you remember that Bharti AXA we had already shared with you all in the last weekend's video. Still we are riding, but now it seems that we might book certain or a partial quantities near about 1600 levels. If we got any rejection over that level, we start our partial profit booking. But still now we are having a decent return of near about 22% in Bharti AXA, 20 to 22% we are riding. Mankind Pharma is the next one. In Mankind Pharma, we have locked our profit of 12%, but it's a partial profit booking has been done and partial quantities we are still riding. So if it is coming down for a retracement, we might add some user approach of buy on dip or accumulate because we are having a target of near about 3,000. But whatever we decide is according to the chart. If we got some reversal at retracement, then we will plan to take a fresh entry. As of now, no fresh entry has been planned, but we might think of having a fresh entry in Mankind Pharma until we got confirmation. Another one is PGHL. See, this PGHL, our call was initiated for a buying level on 5200 to 5280 was our buying zone. As we saw a beautiful cup and handle pattern, it is forming. So from our entry, it is giving us near about 200, 300 points. We are having a first target as 5800. So might be in next week, we got achieved our target. So that's an update on our new fresh trade, what we had traded. Another one is Sequent Scientific. Sequent Scientific was a very good trade that we traded on a weekly time frame. This trade has given us 22% return, and partial profit booking today we had done, as it is reached as we got our entry above 150 to 160, which was our buying zone, and see the rounding bottom pattern it had formed. And as expected, we are having a target 4 as our target. So from target 4, we might see some retracement. So for safer side, we have locked our partial quantities and riding with the lesser quantity now. But still, our view for a bigger perspective is positive on Sequent Scientific. Now, let's show you where all these trades have been shared. See, on 8th September itself, we had initiated a call on Aadhar Housing, entered in accumulation zone, can accumulate at first target at 500. We had booked our partial quantities. Now, let's have Mankind. Mankind Pharma, our entry was at 2400, 2470. Our target was at 2800. It made high of 2780. But for Sapphire side, we have locked our partial profit. In PGHL, our entry was at this. Our target was 5800. By next week, we are expecting that target will get hit. And the housing PGHL, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj. Bajaj Finserv, a long breakout, can enter at CMP. This was given on 6 September, having a target of 2000. Today hit 2000 levels itself. So our first profit booking area had came, but still we are looking out for chasing momentum and looking out for any bearishness on the chart. If we got, then only we will book. Otherwise, we will ride. And Bharti Hexa. Bharti Hexa, our target was at 1600. So at 1600, we might book our profits in Bharti Hexa. And the last one is Sequent Scientific. See, we had given it on 6th September, Sequent Scientific, a rounding bottom formation, Sims buy on dip, buy for this target. So this is a quick update on what we traded and what's and how our analysis going on so far. So that's all for today. For more updates, stay tuned with KS the Trader. Don't forget or don't miss the Nifty Per Charcha on this weekend. So see you on Nifty Per Charcha. Till then, bye bye.